There we go.
How much is that crap? Because I got $3.
Burp it.
How much is it? Yeah, it smells like Taco Bell.
Dirty Chinese food.
I think I'm out. Yeah, I'm out.
How much is it, Carly?
It was $3.33 for 2.
For 2? Okay, I won.
Oh yeah. Dirty Chinese food.
$3.32 for
It tastes
one.
like
For
$3.33.
2.
Can you turn it off now?
No, I'm still going.
Okay, you're going. Turn on you.
I can buy 2 then because I have $3.50.
Don't forget tax. Don't forget tax. Here, just chug the rest of
I'm
it.
going purple in the face, Carly. Keep going.
I can't. That was like the last 5 minutes stored up. Oh crap, man.
That was wet. That was so gross.
Wait, turn it off now. Okay, that's enough, really.